Some children can find communication tricky. Some might not use words yet, or they might only use a few words. Maybe they're not communicating in full sentences. Here are our 5 top tips to help a child to communicate.
Top tip 1.
Have some special time to play together each day. Spend 5 minutes every day playing and talking together. Children will be more likely to communicate about something that interests them. Let them choose the activity and join in with them. It also gives you the time to use some of the other top tips and watch how the child responds.
Top tip 2.
Notice what the child is doing and commenting using 1 or 2 words at a time. By commenting on what the child is doing, they hear words related to the here and now. This helps give words meaning and makes it easier for children to use them. Try using only 1 or 2 words at a time. This keeps it simple and can help children to try and copy words.
Top tip 3.
Use more comments than questions. Questions can be tricky for some children to understand and answer. Instead, if we make comments, we are saying things that the child might like to say. You could describe what the child is doing or explain about an object that they're looking at. Try to keep what you say simple, using 1 or 2 words at a time.
Top tip 4.
Use lots of repetition. Children need to hear a word lots of times to understand it and start to be confident using it. Repeat the same word lots during the same activity. This helps children to understand the words they could use. You could also repeat the same words during lots of different activities. This helps a child to understand they can use the same words in lots of different situations. Another great way of repeating words is in songs and rhymes. The child might begin to expect the word that comes next.
Top tip 5.
Repeat back what the child says and add a word. If a child tries to say a word, repeat it back to them. This shows that you have understood and it reinforces that they have used the right word. You could also try adding a word on to what they've said. This helps to show them lots of different words which they could use and how to join them together with others. For example, car, blue car, fast car, driving car.